Oh yeah, this one for you. I know you want to make money outside of your 9 to 5 job, and investing is the easiest way to create passive income. Right now, you're probably viewing this content on a cell phone or a tablet, which means you're using your cell phone data. You're probably paying your cell phone bill to one of the big 3 cell phone companies. You have to stay connected to the world. So paying your cell phone bill, that's a given. Now, if you're just paying your cell phone bill, that means you're leaving money on the table, and that ends today. It's time for you to start getting some of your money back in the form of dividends hitting your account every quarter. And I'm going to show you why it might make sense for you to invest in your cell phone company. The first company we're going to be talking about today is Verizon Communication, ticker symbol VZ. Right now, Verizon stock has been climbing every day. Now, that doesn't mean that the stock price won't go back down, but that's a part of the stock market. Prices will go up and prices will go down. Right now, Verizon stock is at a price of $49.46 with a day trading range between $48.90 to $50.24. This is a good starting point for a first-time investor. This will allow you to buy more shares at an affordable price. You want to buy as many shares as you possibly can, as this will build momentum and allow the compounding of your investments to start sooner. Verizon also pays 71 cents dividend every quarter. The current analyst rating is neutral, 5.4 out of 10, which is good given the fact that the stock price has been increasing. Now, the average cell phone bill is around $150 every month. So if you invest $150 to $250 every month, or every time you get paid, you can buy yourself around 5 to 10 shares every month. Now, Verizon, that's a personal favorite for me because that's my cell phone carrier. I started investing in November 2025, and I have been able to buy a lot of shares in a short amount of time. To get a more in-depth look at how Verizon has been performing, take a look at the video in the top corner. Now let's take a look at AT&T, ticker symbol T. AT&T stock price has been holding steady at around $28. Right now, AT&T stock price is $28.80 with a day trading range between $28.46 to $29.30. AT&T also pays a 28 cents dividend every quarter. The current analyst rating is bearish, 1.9 out of 10. At this price point, you can buy around 10 shares on a biweekly basis, which will boost your momentum and your compounding. Now, if your budget will allow, you can most certainly buy more shares. Last but most certainly not least, T-Mobile US Inc., ticker symbol TMUS. T-Mobile stock has increased to $214.68. The day trading range is between $212.86 to $220.84. T-Mobile also pays a $1.02 dividend every quarter. The current analyst rating is neutral, 4.2 out of 10. At this price point, for most people, it may take some time to gain momentum on a biweekly basis, which can slow the compounding process. This chart shows what happens when you invest $200 from every paycheck into dividend-paying stocks. Within 2 to 3 years, your shares start producing passive income. This money starts to offset your cell phone expenses, all because you own part of the cell phone company. You can see how your share count grows, as well as your annual dividend payments increase year after year. Every paycheck, you're buying ownership, not just paying your cell phone bill. Your ownership turns your expenses into opportunities. That's what I mean when I say treat your paycheck like a payment plan for your future. You're not just buying shares, you're building passive income. Small, steady investments today turns into dividend checks tomorrow. That's how you give your money a job. This is the power of the 9-to-5 dividend growth system. The majority of what you do on a daily basis is buy now, pay later. So you can implement this same thought process into your investment strategy. Don't look at investing as something you can't do because you think it's too expensive. All you have to do is remove impulse shopping. That alone will improve your overall finances, which will improve your long-term financial goals. When you're investing for passive income, always ask yourself, does this fit my budget for right now? And does this investment contribute to my long-term financial goal? As always, stay consistent, stay focused, and keep building passive income. You are a business.